And we gotta let it burn, burn, burn. It's burning, Gemma. So I wasn't actually in here during the fire, something when the fire had struck in this area. I wasn't here, but according to my sister, she told me that ang mga tao sa amin ay nagtutulungan upang patayin ang sunog. So, napakalaking sunog niya talaga kasi from there, there, and there. Super laki talaga ng sunog. And I'm a little bit thankful that it only hanggang dito lang siya. Hindi siya umabot ng napaka bongga. So I kind of missed this place because because this place was a cinematic before. We used to go here before the Bagyong Odette, but since the Bagyong Odette had struck in our area, everything has changed, especially the view. So the view has been terminated. I don't know if it's the word, but the view has been destroyed and it's been, the view has been demolished because I don't know what happened, but simula nung nagka-Odette, nahimo pong libo nag-among lugar. And before, this is very beautiful place because this is only composed with carabao grass. It's only composed with carabao grass. Yeah. And the only thing, this is at sa katunayan mga ay kuan po ni si John, it's actually a volleyball court before. Not a grand volleyball court, just a mediocre one. Dito. Wala pa tong ito before. Not, if you can see, to ay sindira ang lapita. And it is because of kuan. Aray. Sa Bagyong Odette. So, dapat yung dumanan ang Odette na nagsin bisag tuara ang mga bay sa ubos, may abot gyapon ng scene. And my hands are so dirty because of this catastrophe. It's called a catastrophe because one thing I realized with a catastrophic event is that it leaves on a mark. Yes. After the fire, ito yung naging resulta. Pero, yung naging resulta niya ay naging dahilan naman sa pag-usbong ng magandang view. Nabalik ang dati. Pero I don't know if this would continue kay lagi this would be libon na pod. And I don't know. And I am not that fluent with Tagalog sad. Please bear with my Tagalog English speaking abilities because I am not fluent with these two languages. I am just doing anything here just to post something on my YouTube channel despite the no efforts and whatnots. Yeah. So this is still. So I guess that would be the end of this video, and thank you so much for staying tuned and for watching. If you are watching, I don't know if somebody would watch this video, but yeah, maybe soon or in the future, or yeah, if there would be a random people who would going to see this, I hope that you would happen to see the beauty of our place. The air is crisp. The water is serene up here. Pero hindi naman siya naging. How did you notice? Answer. I need to find my way. Seize my tomorrow. Frosty! Frosty! That is our dog. He's so napatay. Ang gawa na po na.